I'm going to count down the top 10 sailing vlogs by subscribers right now. At number 10 is Chase's story. Tasha and Ryan sailed the Cheeky Monkey with their cats, and they are currently cruising the South Pacific. We met up with Ryan in Tahiti, where we were docked next to them in Papeete Marina. You can hear their story on the Sailboat Sailing Podcast, episode 29. Sailing Uma is produced by Dan and Kika on their 36-foot monohull in the Caribbean. Sailing Nandji is an Australian couple cruising the Great Barrier Reef and beyond. Wes and Kate from Wicked Salty are the episode 13 guests of the Sailboat Sailing Podcast, and they recently bought a new sailboat. They hail from the great state of Massachusetts and sail with their little dog Lola. Sailing Doodles is the episode 34 guest of the Sailboat Sailing Podcast, and since the beginning it starred two Labradoodles and Megan and Bobby. Nikki from White Spot Pirates stars in the Untie the Line series and was the episode 14 guest of the Sailboat Sailing Podcast. Her boat, Carl, is currently in the Pacific Ocean with a brand new engine. Ambient Real Life has been making sailing videos since 2007. They have 72,000 subscribers and they're sailing the Eastern Caribbean. On the Gone with the Wynns channel, Jason and Nikki have traded in their RV for a catamaran and have cruised the Bahamas and are bound for Panama. Subscribe down below. The Sailboat Sailing Podcast, episode 10 and 33 guest Sailing SV Delos features Brian, Brady, and Karen sailing around the world. They're the only sailors in the list to have crossed the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans and film all the way. Sailing the Vagabonde is currently number 1, and they're cruising the Med in their Outremer catamaran. Riley and Elena are two Aussies who have sailed across the Atlantic and Pacific in their previous boat. Hi, this is Linus. I'm the creator of the Sailboat Sailing YouTube channel and Sailboat Sailing Podcast. Many of these channels have been on the Sailboat Sailing Podcast, and you can hear their story. Get the Sailboat Sailing Podcast by subscribing on iTunes, Google Play for Android, Stitcher, or wherever you like to get your podcasts. This video was recorded in August 2017. Subscriber numbers are constantly changing, so this list will never stay stationary. New channels fall out and crack the top 10 all the time. You'll want to stay tuned so you can see a preview of Sailboat Sailing Season 2, where we sail across the Pacific Ocean to the Marquesas, visit all the inhabited islands in the Paradise Islands of the Marquesas. The crew even swims with sharks in Fakarava, and we visit Tahiti and Moorea. Video and my book so you can sail around the world part-time right now. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave a comment or a question, and thanks for watching.